So hello lead coders. Today we'll solve the question that is longest substring without repeating characters. In this we are having a string and we have to find the maximum length of a substring whose characters are non-repeating. This question can be done by the brute force approach. We will take order of n square, but we'll follow a simplified solution which takes a order of n time. So the complexity for our solution should be order of n time. Here we will use a sliding window technique. Basically in the sliding window technique, what we have done is we are traversing through the array, string, and we will form a longest substring, and we will see whether the substring is unique or not, or the elements in a substring should not repeat. So we'll start from here. We'll make use of a set. So set basically is like a container which contains unique elements. So non-repeating elements will not be there in a set. We'll start from here. We'll take two variables, L and R. It will start from the first element. Since the first element is not present in our set, we'll push the first element here, and we'll increment the R. B is also not present, B will be stored here. C is also not present, C will also come. Then when we are here, now since A is already present in our set, and simultaneously what will make use of another variable, that is length. This length will be incremented. So when the set has 3 elements, the value of len will be 3. Okay. Now when we go to A, since A is already present in our set, so we will remove this element from our set and we will push this A. So and we will increment L. Now L will show point to B. Okay, let me clear it a bit. So now our substring will point to this. L will be pointing here and R is pointing here. Now when we increment R, now R will go to B. Since B is already present, we will delete this and we will increment L. Now our array is this much only. When we increment R again, R will go here. Now C is already in our set, we will remove this C, and our new set will be like this. When we go here, L is simultaneously incremented whenever a element is erased from the set. When we go to here, now A is present here, so we will delete this A and we'll insert this A in our set. Now when we go here B is already present, this B is removed, L points here, and when we go here, so when we go here, now B is already present, so we have to remove this C, and simultaneously we have to decrement the length, since this length shows the maximum number of elements which are present in our set. C is already present, so we have to delete C. Now we will check. Now B is already present, so we have to delete this A. Now this 2 elements will be present in our set. B is repeating, so we have to remove this B, and in the end we will be having only 1 element in our set. So this we have to take the maximum value the len will have throughout the loop. Okay, this maximum length will be our output. So coming to our code, we will make use of len. This will store the length of number of elements present in our set. Ln r will traverse through the string and will be used for the sliding window algorithm. And max len will contain the maximum value of len, maximum value of the length of string present in our set. Now we'll initialize set here. We will transverse through our string using r variable. Now we will find if the first element in our string is present in set or not. So for that we will use a count function. So basically what count will do is count will search for the 0th value, the 0th index of array, that is a. If it returns 0, this means the value is not present. So we have to insert this particular element in our set. Okay, we'll increment the len value. Otherwise, if the element is not present in our set, we have to remove the previous element and we have to insert the next element. Okay, so basically what we'll do is we will erase the first element. Like you can see here, when we came across here, now 2a is present, so we have to remove this a, and L will point to this one. Okay, so we'll increment L. So same thing we are doing here. And when we are removing the first element, so now the length of the set will decrease since we are remove this element. Okay, after that we'll push this. So we'll remove this. In the end, we'll store the maximum value of len. Whenever len will have maximum value, it will be stored in max len. And in the end, we will just return the max len value, and this will give us the output. So if you like my video, if you like the approach, please like and subscribe and tune in for the next video. Thank you.